Phoenix, Arizona homeowners ask us, what affects the cost at installing a new garage door?
If you're thinking about replacing your garage door, you have questions. You want to get the best door for your home and at the best price. Now you can call Rick or Marcus Lane, the garage door professors. They have decades of garage door expertise, and they are happy to help you at no cost or obligation.
Installing a new garage door is one of the best ways to improve curb appeal, security, and home value. The total cost can vary widely depending on several important factors. The type of garage door you choose has a major impact on the final installation cost. Steel garage doors are a popular budget-friendly choice because they are durable and low maintenance. Wood doors offer a beautiful, high-end appearance, but they are typically more expensive. Aluminum doors are lightweight and rust-resistant, while fiberglass and composite doors offer durability with style flexibility. Decorative elements such as windows, carriage-style hardware, custom paint, and glass panels can all increase pricing. Insulated garage doors generally cost more upfront, but they can save money over time by improving energy efficiency. This is especially important for attached garages, where temperature changes affect nearby rooms. Higher R-value insulation provides better temperature control and can also help reduce outside noise. Additional features such as weather seals, smart openers, and mobile app controls can also raise the price. Labor is a key part of the total project cost. Replacing an existing garage door is usually less expensive than a completely new installation. If the opener, tracks, springs, rollers, or framing need replacement, labor costs will increase. Professional installation is highly recommended because garage door springs and tension systems can be dangerous. The brand and warranty of the garage door can significantly influence the total cost. Well-known brands often charge more because of their reputation for quality, durability, and customer support. Higher-end manufacturers may offer stronger materials, better insulation, and more design choices, all of which can raise the price. Warranty coverage is another factor that homeowners should consider. Doors with extended warranties on panels, hardware, and openers may cost more initially, but they can provide peace of mind and reduce future repair expenses. Additional costs may include removal of the old door, permit fees, upgraded openers, keypad systems, and emergency service fees. Call us today for a detailed estimate. We will help you understand every cost involved and avoid surprises.
The garage door professors at Affordable Garage Door Repair and Replacement are here to answer your questions and to offer you options to meet your needs and desires. We're always here for you. Just call us. There is no cost or obligation. Call us today.